everyone, welcome back to Shannon Gibson Art and Designs and to part 8 of my Metallics in Motion series. And today I'm going to do a ring pour in a ring pour. So I'm basically just going to lay down a regular ring pour, and then I'm going to pour onto that ring pour and then stretch it out. The colors I'm going to use today are going to be Artist Loft Flow Acrylic Black. I'm also going to be using my FolkArt. I used 14 karat gold in one of my videos, Inca, and then this is antique gold. And then I'm also using FolkArt Berry Wine. This is a non-metallic. It is a gorgeous, rich color. It's very more like a burgundy. So it has those undertones of shades of purple in it. And it looks fantastic, like as a color palette, the gold, black, and this berry wine. Okay guys, I have my cup layered. Gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. And I also have put a small puddle down on the canvas. I'm just gonna lay my ring right in that. I'm just gonna spread out the circle just a little bit here. Okay, and then we're going to get started. I'm just going to bend my cup just so it gives me more of a point. And I'm going to start low and then go high. It does affect the type of rings that you get by doing that. And if I get anything like the one in Metallics in Motion Part 1, I will be ecstatic. And now we're going to get a little closer. So if you want your rings to be a little tighter and hold their shape a little more, I find, at least with my consistency, that when you start high they spread out more. And when you get closer to the canvas, they get tighter. And this is stunning, absolutely stunning. So what I'm going to do is just go around the canvas just a tiny bit, really slowly. And then what I'm going to do is put my other ring in the center here. Now I'm loving the colors, I'm loving the rings. I'm not loving the center so much, so it's kind of a good thing that I'm doing another layer. Okay guys, I have the second cup loaded up, and now we're just going to do another little ring pour. I'm going to keep that one down low. Okay, much better. I really like the center of the torch. Still never got rid of the crazy torch yet. Okay. It's like I feel like I'm like a Western fighter there. I have to like blow it out. Okay. Let's tilt this. Actually, you know what, guys? I'm gonna do a nice border of black here. I definitely have enough paint, so it's not for that, but gold kind of ate up a little bit of the black, and I definitely, although it's gorgeous just with the silver and the berry wine, I would like to see a little bit black there. Just a little bit more of that over. Ooh, what are you guys thinking so far? Off this corner really quickly. concerned about losing the center on this one. I'm really loving the lines. Really loving the lines. Oof. That is stunning. Stunning, stunning, but I still have a lot of paint on here. And I have to get it off, and the weight of my paint here is in the center. You can see it. Ooh, but those rings are so pretty too. Ooh, I love all of this, guys. Love it. I know, I'm gonna be careful. I know, I'm dangerous with my gloves and the paint. Always want to walk my hands over the top of the canvas. This is stunning over here. This is stunning. Oh my goodness, ooh, I am loving it. Absolutely loving it. If I get a couple spots here, guys. I think I did that with my hand, my dirty, wet hands. Let's see what I can do to fix it a bit. I've got one here too, though. Okay guys, here's the wet result of my ring pour within a ring pour. And it's okay that I wasn't left with the ring pour center. When I do ring pours, a lot of the time for me, it's basically just for the lines that I get out of it and the different type of effects. I really like this band of berry wine. I absolutely love the lines that I have in here. The shimmer. That's why I love metallics, so shiny and shimmery. They're just so stunning. Bold, vibrant. Look at the lacing I got here. Focus. The lacing, which is my ultimate fave. Really cool lines, guys. I'm really happy how this turned out. I honestly did not think that the black would get eaten up like that. I layered it equal parts within the cup. And I also put a small flow extender puddle on the canvas. But yeah, I absolutely love it. So you guys let me know. Yeah, and look, that actually turned out pretty good. That's where I had that little boo-boo drop. My bad for my fingers. At least I think that's where it came from. But yeah, please like, share, and subscribe. If you haven't checked out the other videos in my series, please do so. Links will be at the end of the description, or at the end of the video. And please leave me a comment on what you guys think, because as usual, I want to know. So for now, stay safe, everybody. And I will see you in the next Metallics Emotion series, part 9. Bye.